again. You've been so amazing at counting to 3. Last week we counted objects together. Now, at the Ray of Math, we're going to meet 2 new numbers. Numbers 4 and number 5. First, let's count on our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job. Now let's hold up 4 fingers. If we add 1 more finger to that, that is a 5. High five. Boop. Can you count 5 blocks or 5 toys, crayons? Okay. And just like last time, I'm gonna use my blocks. Let me get 5 different colored blocks so you will be able to see each block differently. And now we're gonna count to 5. We have 1 block, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, all together, we have 5 blocks. Good job. Now that we know numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, next time we're going to match these numbers to the amount of objects that we have. So make sure you keep practicing your counting, and I'll see you next time. Bye!